Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you on your Can-Am clutch what happens when you ride without your rollers. So these are the stock OEM rollers. What happens is after the rollers break and you continue riding, you will get damage on your pins, as well as your helix will be ruined, as you can see here. So in this case, we're going to replace the helix. This is also an OEM helix, but it's from KWI, and it's got the DR or drag race CNC cut. I just thought I'd show you guys. Never ride without rollers when they break. Je moet maar net zo voel soos wat ek dink. Here we are using hole number 4, and obviously the arrow will be twisted so that it lines up with this arrow. Right, so assembly done. Those are the tools that we used. Thanks for watching. Red Rocket, out for now.